Hello, my dear friends. Are you all ready for the next short story? Yes, the name of the story is Grab Your Own Bundle. Two men set out on a journey. Both of them had the same destination, so they traveled together. 7 days later, it was the time for them to separate. First traveler: Brother, we stayed together for a week. Have you recognized me yet? Second traveler: No, I don't know you. First traveler: Sir, I am a famous thug, but you are certainly the greatest thug. You have turned out to be my guru. Second traveler: How? First traveler: I searched your belongings continuously for 7 days in the hope of stealing something, but I didn't find anything. You have set out on such a long journey and you don't have anything? Are you completely empty handed? Second traveler: I have a precious diamond and a few gold coins. First traveler: Then why didn't I find them? In spite of so much effort. Second traveler: Whenever I went out, I used to put the diamond and the coins in your bag, and you kept searching my bag for all these days. You did not bother to search your own bundle. Then how do you expect to find anything? Moral: God always puts happiness in our bag, but we do not have the time to look at our bundle. The day we stop looking for happiness elsewhere, all our problems will be solved. The biggest mystical mantra in life is to explore yourself and move forward on the path of life. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.